Hi guys, in this video we will integrate paddle application in your GHL. For this, first of all we will go to our agency level, or in the menu we will click on the level up marketplace. Here all the apps are shown. Search for paddle. After click on install, a pop-up open. If you want to install this application on all the location, then you will click on the agency, and if you want to install in on specific location, then select the location and click on it. In my case, I will install it on the agency for all locations, so I will click on it. After that, I will click on both to check and proceed. So it will install the paddle application to all the locations. So for testing, I will click on this to switch on any location. So for this case, I will open the Gulf Family location and click there. For here I will search paddle. For click configure it, I will click on configure. There APK needed. For APK we will first create an account on paddle. After I will create an account. So after that, from the dashboard I will go to the authentication, and here I will get the API key. This is the API key. I will click on it, copy the key, and go to the location and paste the key here. And after that, I will click on the submit. So this app is successfully configured. Thank you.